What comes to your mind when you hear the word predator? Sharp teeth, powerful claws, deadly hunters. For centuries, predators have inspired both fear and fascination. From wolves roaming vast forests to sharks patrolling the oceans, predators are often portrayed as villains of the natural world. But what if everything we thought we knew about predators was incomplete? What if these hunters are not simply killers, but guardians of nature itself? Without predators, ecosystems can collapse. Forests can disappear, rivers can change course, entire species can vanish. Predators play a role far greater than hunting prey. They shape landscapes, influence animal behavior, maintain biodiversity, and help keep nature in balance. In today's episode of Paws Planet TV, we will explore the incredible role predators play in the natural world. We will discover why wolves transformed an entire national park, how sharks help protect coral reefs, why big cats are essential for healthy ecosystems, and what happens when predators disappear. By the end of this journey, you may never look at predators the same way again. So sit back, relax, and join us as we uncover one of nature's most important secrets: the role of predators in nature. Understanding predators, nature's hunters. A predator is an animal that hunts and consumes other animals for survival. Predation has existed for hundreds of millions of years. Long before humans walked the earth, predators and prey were locked in an evolutionary relationship that shaped life itself. Predators come in many forms. Some are mammals, such as lions, wolves, and tigers. Others are birds, like hawks, eagles, and owls. Some live in the oceans, including sharks, dolphins, and orcas. Even insects can be highly effective predators. Praying mantises, dragonflies, and spiders are remarkable hunters in their own right. But predators are not all the same. Some rely on speed, others use stealth. Some hunt alone, others work together in groups. For example, cheetahs depend on explosive bursts of speed to catch prey. Leopards rely on camouflage and surprise. Wolves coordinate as packs, using teamwork to bring down animals much larger than themselves. Meanwhile, great white sharks use powerful senses to detect prey from impressive distances. Over millions of years, predators and prey have influenced each other's evolution. As predators became more effective hunters, prey animals developed better defenses. Faster running, sharper senses, protective camouflage, horns and antlers. This evolutionary arms race continues today. Even hunt is a test of survival. Every escape is a victory. And through this constant interaction, ecosystems remain dynamic and balanced. Predators are not merely hunters. They are essential participants in the web of life. Keeping populations in balance. One of the most important jobs predators perform is controlling prey populations. Imagine a forest without wolves, on a grassland without lines. At first, it might seem beneficial for prey animals. More deer, more rabbits, more antelope, but nature rarely works that way. When prey populations grow unchecked, they begin consuming vegetation faster than it can recover. Young trees are eaten before they mature. Shrubs disappear. Grasslands become degraded. Over time, habitat quality declines for many species. Ironically, the prey animals themselves begin to suffer. Food becomes scarce, disease spreads more easily, competition intensifies, starvation becomes common. Predators help prevent this problem. By removing a portion of the prey population, they maintain healthier numbers that ecosystems can support. Predators also tend to target animals that are weak, sick, injured, or old. This natural selection process helps strengthen prey populations over time. Healthy animals are more likely to survive and reproduce. As a result, predators contribute to stronger and healthier wildlife populations. In many ecosystems, predators function as nature's population managers. Without them, ecological balance can quickly unravel. The Yellowstone Wolf Story: When Predators Change Landscapes. One of the most famous examples of predator influence comes from Yellowstone National Park in the United States. In the early 1900s, wolves were eliminated from the park. At first, some people celebrated their disappearance, but over time, unexpected problems emerged. Without wolves, elk populations expanded dramatically. Large herds consumed vast amounts of vegetation. Young willow trees struggled to survive. Aspens declined. Riverbanks became unstable. Many species that depended on these plants suffered. Then something extraordinary happened. In 1995, wolves were reintroduced to Yellowstone. The impact was remarkable. Wolves reduced elk numbers. But perhaps even more important, they changed elk behavior. The elk became more cautious. They spent less time feeding in vulnerable areas. Vegetation began recovering. Willows and aspens returned. Beavers benefited from the increased availability of trees. New wetlands were created. Bird populations increased. Riverbanks stabilized. Even the physical structure of some waterways improved. Scientists call this phenomenon a trophic cascade. A trophic cascade occurs when changes at the top of the food chain ripple through the entire ecosystem. The Yellowstone story demonstrated something profound. Predators do not merely influence animals, they can shape entire landscapes. Predators in the oceans, the hidden guardians of marine ecosystems. The importance of predators is not limited to forests and grasslands. Beneath the ocean surface, predators play equally critical roles. Consider sharks. For decades, sharks were widely misunderstood and feared. Yet many marine scientists now recognize them as essential ecosystem regulators. As apex predators, sharks help maintain balance among marine species. They often target weak, sick, or vulnerable fish. This prevents unhealthy populations from growing excessively. In coral reef ecosystems, predator presence influences the behavior of smaller fish. These interactions help maintain healthy food webs. When shark populations decline, ecological imbalances can occur. Certain fish populations may increase dramatically, others may decline. The entire ecosystem can become unstable. Orcas provide another fascinating example. These highly intelligent marine predators influence the distribution and behavior of many species. Their presence can affect seals, sea lions, and even other predators. Across the world's oceans, predators help sustain biodiversity and ecosystem health. Far from being destructive forces, they are often among nature's greatest protectors. What happens when predators disappear? To truly understand the value of predators, we must examine what happens when they vanish. Around the world, predator populations face numerous threats: habitat loss, human conflict, pollution, poaching, climate change. As predators disappear, ecosystems often become less stable. Prey populations can increase rapidly. Vegetation may decline. Disease can spread more easily. Biodiversity can decrease. Scientists have observed these effects in many different environments. In some regions, the loss of large predators had led to dramatic ecological changes. Smaller predators may increase in number. This phenomenon, known as mesopredator release, can place greater pressure on birds, reptiles, and small mammals. The consequences can ripple through entire ecosystems. Protecting predators is therefore not only about saving individual species, it is about preserving ecological balance. Conservation programs around the world are working to protect wolves, big cats, sharks, eagles, and many other predators. These efforts benefit countless species that share the same habitats. When predators thrive, ecosystems often become healthier and more resilient. Nature functions best when every piece of the puzzle remains in place, and predators are among the most important pieces of all. Predators are often feared, sometimes misunderstood, and frequently portrayed as villains. But the truth is far more remarkable. Predators are architects of ecosystems. They regulate populations, support biodiversity, drive evolution, shape landscapes, and help maintain the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. From wolves in Yellowstone to sharks in the oceans, predators remind us that every species has a purpose. Nature is not built on domination, it is built on balance, and predators play a vital role in maintaining that balance. The next time you see a wolf, a lion, an eagle, or a shark, remember that you are looking at more than a hunter. Thank you for joining us on Paws Planet TV. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow animal and nature lovers. Leave a comment below and tell us which predator fascinates you the most and why. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep protecting our incredible planet. See you in the next adventure. Goodbye.